Hello everyone, I welcome you all. Today we are going to study about a very beautiful poem that was written by William Wordsworth. And William Wordsworth was a very famous poet and he has written many poems. In this video we will study about a very beautiful poem. Actually, the poem has not a specific title. My heart leaps up. It is used as a title. It is taken from the first line of the poem. And this poem is also famous by its name, The Rainbow, because in this poem the poet is telling us about the rainbow. So, the poem is famous by two names, The Rainbow and My Heart Leaps Up. As I discussed before that this poem is totally based on the rainbow. Rainbow has many colors. Rainbow has 7 colors. So, let's get ready for the poem. My heart leaps up when I behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began, so is it when I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. The child is father of the man, and I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural piety. So, before explaining this, I'll let you know that there are 3 different color words, 3 blue color words. Firstly, I will explain the meaning. Behold. Behold means when we see, when we observe something. Bound, when we tied with someone, when we tied. Piety. Piety means respect or devotion for the God. So, in this poem, the poet is saying that he is observing, he is looking a beautiful rainbow in the sky, and he is saying that my heart, it started jumping, it feels very happy when I see a very beautiful rainbow in the sky. And he is saying there is no change in that. When I was when I was a baby, I was a kid, when my life has been started, my life was began, so at that time it was also same. I was feeling happy at that time, and now as I am a man, the rainbow is also same, and I am having the same feeling. I love to see the rainbow in the sky. And even when I will be grow old, when I'll become grow old, then also I will also feel the same. And if I will not be able to feel that, if I will not be able to see that, then I should die. And this is the line, the child is father of the man. This line is very famous line. With a single line, the poet is explaining a lot. He is trying to say that the childhood is the lifespan that is telling us, that is teaching us that the man, what he or she would become in future. And he is saying ki I could wish, it is my wish, I want that all the days, my future days will also bound me, will also tie me with the beauty of the nature or with the blessings of the God, with devotion of God. So it was a very lovely poem. It was totally about the nature. In this poem, the poet is trying to say that we should love our nature. I hope the poem is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.